Elizabeth loves to give back, though it's hard to give back when you're struggling to keep yourself afloat. That's why Elizabeth sought out Easter Seals New Jersey's Employment Services Program for mature workers.
Easter Seal was there when I really needed them. You know, it really helped me to keep my walk with the Lord and with myself, my children, and my family. Easter Seal gave me something to get up in the morning for, to come to work, and to get back into society, like I said, and to help me to know that I am somebody today. I didn't know anything about computer. Easter Seal helped me know the basics of computer. I learned filing, answering phones, encouraging seniors on the phone. Sometimes they would make my day and I would make their day. Giving out library cards, all that I couldn't do before. I didn't have a clue because, like I say, I was out of society for a while, but thank God I came back and Easter Seal was right there. Whatever you go through, let it be a learning experience. That something good will come out of it.
Easter Seals New Jersey, taking on disability together. Share this video and help us celebrate life's moments.